We have seen how the Caesar cipher works. Now let us look at why it offers almost no real security. The weakness is straightforward. There are only 25 possible keys. An attacker simply tries every single one until they find the right answer. This is called a brute force attack, and it requires nothing but time. The concept we need is keyspace. The keyspace of a cipher is the complete set of all possible keys. The bigger the keyspace, the harder it is for an attacker to find the right one by trying them all. Trying every possible key until one produces readable text is called a brute force attack. It is a fundamental concept in cryptanalysis, and it requires no skill, only time. The Caesar cipher's keyspace contains exactly 25 keys. That is it. Here is the complete keyspace of the Caesar cipher, displayed as a table of alphabet shifts. The top row is the plain alphabet. Each row below shows the cipher alphabet for that key, every letter shifted forward by that many positions. Row 1 shifts by 1, row 2 by 2, and so on through to row 25. This entire table is the attack space, all 25 possible cipher alphabets, every possible encryption in one place. An attacker brute forcing the cipher simply works down the rows until they find one that decodes to the readable text. An attacker has intercepted an encrypted message, 3 words of ciphertext. They know it was encrypted with the Caesar cipher, but not which key was used. It does not matter. They begin at key 1 and work forward through every possibility. Key 1, nothing readable. Key 2, still nonsense. Key 3, the same. They continue. Keys 4 through 11 all fail. Key 12. I came, I saw, I conquered. The plain text reveals itself, and the message is broken. 12 attempts, no special knowledge, just a methodical walk through the key space, one row at a time. So how do we grade the Caesar cipher? The Caesar cipher earns the lowest possible security grade, breakable by hand. It is not merely weak, it provides no meaningful security whatsoever. The key space is trivially small at just 25. No expertise or tools are required. Even in the worst case, you need only 25 attempts, done in minutes. The deeper lesson here is about key space as a concept. It is the most fundamental measure of how hard a cipher is to brute force. The Caesar cipher has 25 keys, broken by hand. DES, used in the 1970s, had 2 to the power of 56, broken by computer within days. AES 128, used today, has 2 to the power of 128 possible keys. Even running at 1 trillion guesses per second, a brute force attack would take longer than the age of the universe. The Caesar cipher is a perfect starting point, not because it is secure, but precisely because it is not. Every weakness it has points directly at a problem that modern cryptography had to solve.